Is Helena Financial at a dip right now? Well, this is what we discussed in this sponsor video, but I'm actually interested in the project. Helena Financial's volume is around $60,000 per in the last 24 hours because the whole market has been in the red. If you go on CoinMarketCap, you can see that it's in the red, but there's some very interesting things and a few other stuff that we'll discuss. They have multiple audits down below, but the first thing you want to know about this project is the APY. It's over $500,000 and it's just insane. 2022, CoinMarketCap listed, it launched on the 9th of April, CoinMarketCap listed on the 12th of April, which is something we don't see regularly because you have other stuff to get listed there. Not only that, they have big plans for the future that we'll also go over if you watch the video all the way until the end. Before we start, set the like button. This video is no financial advice. Let's talk about the one and only Helena Financial. Moonplay will be revealed for May, so you have gold buyback started. That was available on their Discord as well. Sniper contest started. I'll show you that in a little bit. It's on the website. 90% cashback bonus. Well, incentive started up to 25% cashback bonus. Marketing round, which probably this video is one of them. I'll have a link for debug purchase on how to buy it from Bug Finance, and $500,000 APY in the Genesis period after launch. We've seen this on some places, but very rarely. Obviously, as more people get in, it shouldn't be as high. But right now, this is the Genesis phase. This is the daily profit at 2%. That's insane. This liquidity is very strong. Liquidity to market cap rate was around 20%. Coming up with first in space unique treasury boosting utilities aiming to sustain strong treasury long-term stable protocol, DO governed, KYC by a short DeFi. I'll see if they have the APYs on their website. They have YouTube videos by pretty much a lot of YouTubers that I know here. Let's go down on their website. I just want to see the Certic. Here is Glorious talking about it. Down below, more YouTubers talking about it. They're actually spending, they're not taking their marketing budget, they're actually investing it, and this is why the project is performing well. Even though it's at a discount, they have a marketing team. As you can see, they have a newsletter. Here is the roadmap, by the way. Development, pretty much everything is done. Certic audit report is not out yet. Solidity is out already. You will find the Certic audit here on the website, plus CoinMarketCap normally when they're listed. Marketing round, yeah. Most of the things are done, which is pretty insane. Anyway, you look at it. Here are the team members. I have not seen a project like this for a while in terms of from the high APY projects. We've seen this with Nemesis and a few others, but not that much, which were very trending in October. What's coming next? So they have a Medium blog post about this that I will also have a link for in the description down below. They are moving on to the most trading phase of the journey yet. They want to get to 100 mil market cap according to PoolCoin. They're around 3 mil right now, so that's a 33x. I think it's realistic given that we are in a bottoming market. Hopefully the end of the bear market for Helena Financial. The Moonplay experiment could only be envisaged by and executed with such epic people that they have. The community. The community and team will need to follow 5 essential steps during the Moonplay experiment. If you're ready, let's get started with first. Pull in support, don't panic sell, stream earnings, not the, I think the incentives and events they have going on will help with that. Progressive marketing, accurate fund allocation, which we've seen because they're actually spending their marketing funds, which we don't see on a lot of projects. Progressive development and content creation, providing utility-based developments, innovative updates, extra features are a great way to drive new investors and reward old-timers because they will be the ones who collect and compound their earnings most compared to others. Delivering new and engaging content is also essential to keep the community occupied with platform offerings. The team should organize new type of value-generating conditions such as contests, competitions, other events to help the collective culture growth. Moving further, 1 million USD smart buyback program. This is a very interesting concept. You can probably read it in the description down below. I'll have the medium chart. Right now, as you can see, the project has been in a huge dip, which normally is not a great thing, but given the tokenomics, it's not bad. Plus, we seem to be bottoming down, bottoming out since the 12th of May, which was the beginning of the Luna crash. Most of this dump was correlated with the USD drama and Luna crash around here with the whole market. So the fact that Helena is acting accordingly with the whole crypto market is actually bullish. Many reasons for that, meaning that the overall when you have, sometimes it's good to have tokens that are hedging the market, right? They're going up when the market's going down, but normally there are alternative plays that are not popular in good market conditions. So if Bitcoin has a really good run, they will not perform well. So I'm very happy for that, for Helena. In this regard, the something that I also want to mention was the collective culture. We've seen that with some projects, but they didn't have really good utility, but they were good projects. This is the difference with Helena. The collective behavior of the community will be the most important factor during our moon play. If most of the community embraces a mindset directed toward platform growth instead of personal gains, the community segment, by becoming a part of its collective culture, will achieve the most. The team will also provide constant backup to the community by consistently making supportive regulations and incentives. Adapting new members to the collective culture will be the main challenge that the community will encounter. Therefore, new members should be welcomed and supported delicately. We've seen that with projects like Cult, and this mentality, especially in bottoming our markets, is better than in, for example, Helena is a better place now than it was on the 12th of May, because on the 12th of May we had a declining market. When you have Cult-like following of a coin or a token at a bottom slash increase in the market, you can build a very strong community, because when this community sees some gains, which normally happen after a bottom out, it's way better. In the comment section down below. This video is not financialized. Love you guys. Bye.